Mypbx supports interconnection among multiple devices. Successful interconnection means extensions can make free calls directly among devices, trunks can be shared among them, and conference calls can be achieved. Take Mypbx standard as an example to explain how to connect two Mypbx together. The method is applicable to other models of Mypbx. To simplify the configuration, we recommend that you use two different sets of numbers respectively for extensions in the two Mypbx. Extension numbers in Mypbx A start with 5, and extension numbers in Mypbx B start with 6. First, set up port forwarding on Mypbx A's side. The default SIP port is UDP 5060 and RTP port 10,000 to 12,000. The port can be changed in SIP settings page. Then go back to SIP settings page to configure NAT. Fill in external IP address and local network identification. And NAT mode is yes. Refer to Part 2 NAT settings if you want to configure NAT in other ways. Next, click Trunks and Add Service Provider. Trunk type can be SIP or IAX. Here we choose SIP. The hostname/IP is the public IP of Mypbx B. Click Save. Next, create an outbound route. The dial pattern is 6XX, meaning 3-digit numbers starting with 6. In the strip field, fill in 0 or leave it blank. Choose the extensions. Select the service provider trunk created above. Follow the steps above to set up on Mypbx B's side. Create a SIP service provider trunk in Mypbx B and register it to Mypbx A. In type, choose SIP. The hostname/IP is the public IP of Mypbx A. Also create an outbound route. The dial pattern is 5XX. In the strip field, fill in 0 or leave it blank. Choose the extensions and select a service provider trunk created above. Run the test. Dial extension 601 with extension 502 of Mypbx A. Extension 601 rings. Then use 601 to dial 502 of Mypbx A. Extension 502 rings. Extensions of the two Mypbx can make free calls to each other now.